Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating tradition that many of us practice. Without a second thought, knocking on wood. Have you ever wondered why we do it? This age-old custom is believed to bring good luck and ward off bad spirits. Its origins can be traced back to ancient cultures, where wood was thought to be sacred, housing protective spirits. The practice likely began with the Celts, who believed that trees were inhabited by spirits. By knocking on wood, they sought to invoke these spirits for protection, or to avoid tempting fate after making a hopeful statement. Over time, this ritual spread across various cultures, evolving into the superstition we know today. So, the next time you find yourself knocking on wood, remember that you're participating in a tradition that connects us to our ancestors and their beliefs. It's a simple yet powerful reminder of the human desire for luck and protection. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the past. If you enjoyed this exploration, don't forget to follow for more intriguing insights.